Welcome to the booming gig economy, where flexible side hustles like food delivery are attracting more and more individuals seeking extra income. Today, we're diving deep into the three major players DoorDash, Uber Eats, and Grubhub to help you decide which platform is best for your needs. Are you looking for a flexible way to earn extra cash? Or perhaps wondering which delivery app truly offers the most lucrative opportunities? Let's start with the most crucial aspect for any side hustler pay. We'll break down the average hourly earnings for drivers on each of these popular platforms. Our data indicates that DoorDash drivers typically earn around $14 per hour, while Uber Eats drivers see an average of $18 per hour. Grubhub drivers, on average, fall in between, earning approximately $17 per hour, making it a strong contender in the hourly wage comparison. Each app has a unique base pay structure. DoorDash's base pay ranges from $2 to $4 per order, influenced by distance, time, and desirability. They also offer a time earnings mode, calculating pay based on the estimated time to complete an order, which can be beneficial during slower periods. Uber Eats uses an upfront fare system, considering estimated time, distance, and the effort required for pickup and drop-off, with base fares typically starting around $3 to $5. Grubhub often boasts a higher minimum pay per order, usually $3 or more, and pays approximately 34 cents per mile for mileage. They also provide minimum earnings guarantees during scheduled blocks, provided drivers maintain their acceptance rates, offering a sense of security. While Grubhub might offer better pay per order, DoorDash often yields more overall earnings due to its significantly higher order volume in many markets. Now, let's navigate the sign-up process for each platform, understanding the requirements and any potential bonuses for new drivers. For DoorDash, you must be at least 18 years old, or 19 in some states, and 21 in California. A valid driver's license, insurance, and social security number for a background check are essential. The good news is, almost any car can be used, making it accessible for many. Uber Eats also requires a driver's license, vehicle insurance, and a successful background check. Grubhub similarly requires a background check, ensuring safety and reliability across all platforms. Keep an eye out for sign-up bonuses. DoorDash, for instance, often offers a guaranteed earnings incentive, ensuring a minimum payout if you complete a specified number of deliveries within a set time frame. Now, let's weigh the pros and cons of each service from a driver's perspective, helping you understand the daily realities. DoorDash boasts the largest market share, translating to more order opportunities, and its app is generally user-friendly with clear earnings information. However, its base pay can be lower, and occasional app outages during peak hours can be frustrating for drivers. Uber Eats offers higher average hourly earnings and a more stable app experience, which is a significant advantage for consistent work. The downside can be tip baiting, where customers reduce tips after delivery, and its interface, sharing elements with the Uber driver app, can sometimes be confusing. Grubhub stands out with higher per-order pay and guaranteed minimum earnings during scheduled blocks, providing financial predictability. Yet, it often has fewer orders in most markets, a clunky app interface, and strict scheduling requirements, which might not suit everyone. To truly maximize your earnings, consider multi-apping. This strategy involves using multiple apps simultaneously, pausing others when you accept an order, identifying peak hours, like dinner times, and delivering in higher income areas can significantly boost your income. Excellent customer service also leads to better tips. Remember, your acceptance rate generally won't affect your earnings, so don't be afraid to decline low-paying orders. Also, prioritize car care to avoid unexpected expenses. It's crucial to understand the reality of expenses, including gas, vehicle maintenance, and taxes, to calculate your true net earnings. Gas prices directly impact your profitability, so tracking your mileage is essential for both expense calculation and tax purposes. As independent contractors, delivery drivers are responsible for their own taxes, making accurate record-keeping vital for financial health. Let's hear from some drivers themselves, offering diverse perspectives on their experiences with these platforms. One driver shared, "DoorDash keeps me busy, but I wish the base pay was a bit higher." Another mentioned, "Uber Eats has been great for consistent earnings, even with the occasional tip adjustment." A Grubhub driver noted, "I love the guaranteed minimums, but sometimes I just don't get enough orders. These insights highlight the varied experiences. For beginners, DoorDash's high order volume and user-friendly app might be ideal for getting started quickly and gaining experience. Experienced drivers, however, might prefer Uber Eats or Grubhub for their potentially higher per-order pay and guaranteed earnings, especially if they're strategic with scheduling. In summary, DoorDash offers volume, Uber Eats provides higher average pay, and Grubhub gives predictability with guaranteed minimums. Your choice ultimately depends on your priorities, whether it's maximum flexibility, highest hourly rate, or consistent earnings. We hope this detailed comparison helps you make an informed decision and thrive in your gig economy journey. Happy delivering!